Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family to another Greenlight unboxing. And today we have a case of Greenlight Hot Pursuit Series 38. So we're gonna crack it open. And then we're going to take a closer look at these. So first up, we got a Las Vegas Metro Police 1974 Dodge Monaco in yellow. Looks more like a taxi than a cop car. Then we got a 2021 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle, General Motor Fleet. That's awesome. That might be the nicest one out of the whole series. Next we have a 1993 Jeep Cherokee. And I take that back. The Jeep Cherokee looks awesome in the black and white. I'm a real sucker for the black and white paint deco on the police. Next up, what the heck? So this was from 3000 Toys, which I've got a lot of chase pieces from 3000 Toys. A lot of green machines from them. But that's really weird that I would have got two of these. I had this in between all of them. It looked like a factory, so this might be a factory mistake. So now I need to go through and find out which one I'm missing. Because I got two of the same one. What the heck? That's weird. That's never happened to me. Next, we got the 2015 Nissan GTR. Got the Jeep Cherokee. Oh wait, there's two Jeep Cherokees. Nissan GTR, Sterling Heights, and General Motors Fleet. There's all of them on the back. So we'll know which one I'm missing. Because the last one is going to be the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, Sterling Heights Police. And man, it's hard for me to pick a winner out of this case. It would have to be down to this one, or this one. Definitely one of these. So let me reposition the camera and we'll be back to look at these closer and find out which one I'm missing. It's the other Jeep. I'm missing the other Jeep. So I got the California Highway Patrol Jeep, but I did not get the New York City Police Department 1997 Jeep Cherokee. That's one I did not get. The New York. Man. Well, hang on and we'll be back. Let me reposition the camera. And we're back, and the first one we're going to crack open, take a look at, is going to be this 1997 Jeep Cherokee, New York Police Department. And I had a couple extras hanging on my pegs over there that I picked up from this series. And this happened to be one of them. So now I'll have an extra of the other one and not an extra of this one. Which I always try to pick up the New York Police Department whenever I can find it. It seems to be one of their best sellers when it comes to their hot pursuits. So it's always good to have an extra one, I guess. They usually go up in value quite a bit, the New York City Police Department. But definitely one of the paint schemes from the Hot Pursuit I collect. And I should have started picking up Hot Pursuit cases a really, really long time ago. And I really avoided collecting the Greenlight Police, but I did always collect the New York City ones because I like them in white and blue. And I always collected the ones that were black and white. And I got quite a large collection just like that. Plus, I always collected the SUV police ones. So you put all them together, I had a huge Greenlight Hot Pursuit collection already. So I might as well just start picking up the cases of them. So I'll have all the different variations. I got the case 38, 39, and 40. So stay tuned for video 39 and another one for the number 40. But this one, we got a 1974 Dodge Monaco in the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police, Las Vegas, Nevada. Might be yellow and white, so it blends in with the sand in the desert. I have no idea. I have never saw a police car painted this color. I don't think. I do collect all the Arizona police and the Ohio and the PA. So I was born in Arizona. I've lived in Ohio my whole life, and PA's right next door. So between all that, I might as well collect the Hot Pursuit. But I almost think there's a Phoenix, Arizona older one that's like a yellow and a white or something. And the California Highway Patrol is always a huge hit and hard to find after they're released. But we got the 1993 Jeep Cherokee in the California Highway Patrol. And I think for two reasons. One, a lot of collectors live in California. There's a ton of die-cast collectors and customizers and everything else in the California area. And then they're the black and white paint scheme. And I don't think I'm the only collector out there that collects NYPD blue or the white and black paint schemes. So they both seem pretty popular. Awesome rims on this. I think Greenlight's really stepped it up with their rims lately. These ones aren't nearly as nice as the Californias, but they serve their purpose. Next one is going to be the 2021 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit. Serve and protect. Big heavy casting, and it's already broken. So you can see this glued on, and when I opened it up, it fell off. So I can glue that back on the running board. Not a big deal at all. Nothing at all like the missing front grille on my 510. Yeah. So I guess these case unboxings will also be a quality control inspection. Big heavy casting. Love this casting from Greenlight. Probably pick it up in every variation they release it in. At least I'll try to. There's an extra one that came in the case, which we are not going to crack open for obvious reasons. I don't need two of these open. Maybe if it was a New York paint scheme, or a black and white one, or one from Ohio, local to me or something. The next one's going to be a 2015 Nissan GTR. My camera will focus. We could find out where it's from. And it's Oceanside Police, Oceanside, California. Pretty cool police car for out there in California. Shout out to anybody living in California. Wonder if this is based on a real one. I guess a Ford Mustang. California Highway Patrol was based on a real one. I guess they really had a 5.0 back in the day. So let me know if this GTR is based on a real one. Give the supercars a run for their money out there. And then the last one for this Greenlight case unboxing is going to be the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility in the Police Sterling Heights. Really cool, plain white and black deco. But not the black and white I collect. This is just mainly white with black writing. So I guess a white deco with black lettering. Wish they would have put lens taillights on this, but then again the Tahoe would have looked really good with lens headlights and taillights. But I think we get lens headlights on this one. We'll see when it comes around. Can't believe how small these are, but in real life, they really are this small. I parked next to one the other day at work, and yeah, they really are skinny and tiny little Jeeps. Never realized that before. I think the Jeep Cherokees are a lot bigger. Or the Jeep Grand Cherokees, I mean. Amazing police deco all around. Well, that's it for this. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Just got this in the mail. Tarmac Works. GTR. Really, really freaking awesome. Iconic paint scheme. I'm going to show this in a video with a bunch of other castings, cars that I have in this paint scheme. I think they're all GTRs. Maybe one fantasy car from Hot Wheels. They put it on recently. And I'm going to have to do a video on some premium cars because I got 2 new Porsches in the mail. Man, you can see the yellow calipers behind the spoked rims. Lens headlights and tail lights. Awesome detail on these, so definitely make sure you stay tuned. Let me know which one's your favorite out of this release. If you guys like collecting the Greenlight Hot Pursuits, you look back and see the earlier releases, how hard they are to find and how much they go for. It's insanity. Really makes myself kick myself for not picking them up as they were being released. But anyways, the winner for me got to be one of these or one of these. Man, they're just killing it with the SUVs. Have an awesome day.